This is a new 2014 Ford Flex, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.